Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are back with a new tutorial. Today we will also discuss Python operators. We will discuss logical operators among operators. Let's get started. Here we will create new file as usual, and give the file name. First we try to understand a little about operators. In Python, logical operators carry out logical operations, and return Boolean values, based on the result. We need to verify multiple conditions simultaneously, or use logical operators, by combining multiple conditions in some cases. There are three types of logical operators in Python. An, or, not operator. An operator returns true if both the operands, right side and left side, are true. It returns true if either of the operand, right side or left side, is true. Last one, it returns true if operand is false or returns false if operand is true. Let's check it practically. At first we will declare two variables. Now, first we will using an operator. Notice here. As we already know, the output of an operator is true, if both operands are true, else false. Since the two operands here are not true, so our output will be false. As you can see here, we get false as output here. Now we will add another variable, for try another way. Here you can see, since our two operands are true, so our output will be true. As you can see, our output is true as usual. Now we will use OR operator. In the case of OR operator, we have already learned that, if one of the operand is true, then our output will be true. As you can see here, we got true as output. Now we will add another variable, for try another way. As you can see here, since our two variables are false, so output will be false. Here you can see, we got false as output. Now we will using not operator. As we know already in not operator, if operand are true, so we get false as output, or if operand are false then we get true as output. So here you can see, since our operand is true, so we will get false. Here you can see, we got false as output. Here, since our operand is false, we will get true as output. Here you can see, we got true as output as usual. Now we will try a little different way, for that we will commenting these codes. At first we will declare two variables here. Now we using an operator. As you can see here, since our first operand are false, so we will get false as output. Here you can see, we got false as output. Notice here, since our two operands are true, so we will get true as output. Here you can see, we got true as output. If this part of the video is difficult to understand, then watch the previous video. You can watch the previous video by clicking on the I button above. Now we will use OR operator. Here our first operand is false, so we will get false as output. In the second condition both operands are true, so we get true as output. As you can see here, our output is as usual. Now we try another way. Here our first operand is false, and second operand is true, so our result will be false. As you can see here, our output is as usual. Now we will use NOT operator. Notice here, we set the condition is A less than B, so this operands are true, but our output will be false. Here, we set the condition is A greater than B, so this operands are false, but our output will be true. as you can see here. Notice here, the first condition inside the bracket is false, that is, the entire condition is false, so outside the bracket we will get true as output. As you can see here, we got true as output. Today's video was up to this. Thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video. Enjoy everyone. Thank you.